Shoot, I'll put a bag in the window. I'll put it.
All right. That's not good. Nice. Looks good. Did you build this?
Yeah, I did.
Nice job. And it's nice and braced off. And where's the amps? Oh, there it is right there. Okay.
Thanks, 8K.
Okay. I'm gonna come look at it over there. Go. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Who built the box?
I built the box.
Do you know the specs on it, tuning and port, cubic space?
What I'm aware of is tuned to right around 34, 35.
Okay. Looks good. Yeah, I'm coming over. You got a lift? Oh.
That's a leveling kit.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the DS18.
It's GFX 8K. Okay. I got everything wired down to 1 ohm.
Okay. Nice. What made you invert instead of regular?
Just for more box space, because I don't have really like a whole lot of box space back there with like a lot of room.
Yeah.
I'm gonna build a wall for it here soon though. I want to build a 6-cylinder BAM pass for it, but like I don't want it to be permanent. I want it to be removable so I can somehow be able to move it.
Yeah. So you'd be able to slide it in right behind the seats. Got it.
Yeah.
Looks good. Nice.
Yeah, but like this voltmeter though, I'm telling you, I'll sit here and watch it go down to like 10 volts. It's bad.
Really?
Yeah.
What size alternator?
That's not the stock one. That's why I
Stock,
ordered a new
okay.
one. I ordered a 400 amp JS alt.
Yep. That'll help a lot. And you have 45 amp hour limitless lithium?
That's actually a super cap bank.
Oh, that's not even a lithium bank.
Yeah, no, that's not.
Oh, so you don't, okay, you don't even have much bank. Anything under the hood for a battery?
Yeah, I do. You want to see it?
Sure. Yeah, we'll look at it. Why not? All right. It's a Group 31 ATM in the big 3. All right. So yeah, once you get the upgraded alternator, you probably be a lot better off. And you're not even getting all the juice to this 8K then.
Not at all.
Even at 1 ohm. Nice.
Yeah, it's nothing insane, but
It's all right.
it's gonna go bigger one day. Hopefully it sounds good.
Sure, man.
Shoot, I'll put a bag in the window. I'll put it.
All right.
I can close that window right there, sorry.
All the way?
Yeah, close
So
all
it
the
breathes better with one window up.
one window, yeah.
Okay. So that means that you just don't have enough electrical to support this powerful amp. So just
Yeah.
turn that. You have your gain probably turned up a little too much too.
Actually,
then?
I only have it set to a quarter gain.
Quarter gain. Oh, do you know what your pre-out is on your RCA for your head unit at all?
I do not. Everything's wired to this equalizer right here, though.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I have that probably turned up just a little bit too much, to be honest with you, but
It's all good.
I'll be back again next year, trust me.
What's your name?
Blake?
Blake. Jacob.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for watching my videos. It looks good. And what is this called that you have this like
Oh,
light
it's a
system?
Starlight headliner. I did all that myself.
Nice. Oh, so you had to take it out, put it.
Everything. You got to run every single strip through. Every single
Really?
strip. Yeah, it's,
Wow.
yeah, it's pretty bad. I turned on my AC and everything so I could even push it just a little bit.
Yeah, when you turn that off, it's less strain on the alternator.
Yeah, man.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a Blake system at the Summer Showcase Jacksonville, Florida show in 2023. Got a really quick demo and a good full walk around. So be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. He did get down into the 10 volt range during this demo. Definitely scary, but he wanted to be on YouTube. So two 15-inch subs on 8,000 watt RMS amplifier. Of course, he mentioned you don't have the electrical for this. Probably going to need at least 25 to 45 amp hours of lithium and a 320 plus amp alternator to support this kind of system. And he does have as a work in progress. So pretty cool layout he has for his Sullivan box layout design that I think he actually called. See, that's a quick snap. Later in the demo, you're going to see 10.8 volts. It was blinking. Pretty much we were shutting off the amplifier during this demo. So notice how the subwoofers are inverted. That's always best to do for better cooling, a little bit more box space, and having that center port. So subs up, port up, and the truck sounded pretty good actually for what it was. So we're getting to the demo. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos on my channel and enjoy this demo.
Course, I be ballin' on these niggas, got me feeling like sports trash.
You want to turn it up slower and not too high. Your amp's cutting out because you're going too high too fast.
Really?
Yep. Your voltage is dropping, it's causing the amp to protect. So try it a little bit less, turning up. Yeah, don't turn it up as high and slowly roll the bass in until you start hearing a bad sound and then turn it off, and that's good. Go ahead, man, do it again. That's why it was cutting off. That's not good. So that means that you just don't have enough electrical to support this powerful amp. So just turn that. You have your gain probably turned up a little too much too.
Actually, I only have it set to a quarter gain.
Quarter gain? Oh, do you know what your pre-out is on your RCA for your head unit at all?
I do not. Everything's wired to this equalizer right here, though.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I have that probably turned up just a little bit too much, to be honest with you, but
It's all good. I appreciate the quick little demo. You got a little bit of.
I'll be back again next year. Trust me.
What's your name?
Blake.
Blake. Jacob.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for watching my videos too. I appreciate the demo. It looks good. And what is this called that you have this light
It's a
system?
Starlight headliner. I did all that myself.
Nice. Oh, so you had to take it out, put it.
Everything. You got to run every single strip through. Every single
Really?
strip. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. I turned on my AC and everything so I could even push it just a little bit.
Yeah, when you turn that off, it's less strain on the alternator.
Yeah, man.
All right, man. You have a good day.